Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ZM Zoom. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I'm well aware I state the obvious when I say just a crazy day today, not only from the price action standpoint, but just gigantic volume. So a lot of eyeballs going to be watching this one moving forward, myself included. So I just want to map out a couple levels that I think a lot of technical traders are going to be watching. And that's important because when lots of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. So these are going to be the levels that I think a lot of people will be watching. So this is not some sort of great discovery on my part. I'm not trying to come across like I have some sort of special skill. I assure you a lot of other people are going to be watching these levels. And the first area is from the breakout standpoint. And that is this area right here of resistance at, let me make sure that I got this right. Right here at, 463.50. 463.50, you can see was a problem point right here. And then later on, got rejected by it right there. So you're going to have all sorts of people watching that level. And I mean, it guarantees that those don't exist. So that, I'm not saying anything's guaranteed to happen. But my core point here is it's a more than valid thought to have that if the price can work its way up there and get the break of 463.50, that could very well create a whole lot more buying pressure because people are just buying, well, just because a technical breakout all of a sudden happened. And that could just, push the price up and create that much more, excitement to the upside. So keep an eye on that from the resistance side of things. Again, that's going to be the level that lots of breakout players are watching. Then on the flip side, the level of support that really stands out to me is this area down here, right around, let's see, what is that? The $430 mark. So 430, again, one of those levels where if the price were to go down there and break down through it, not a guarantee, but a more than valid thought that a break below that level could create some downward selling pressure. So you want to keep a close eye on that also. But going forward, I think these are going to be those two main technical levels that at least I care about. And I think quite a few other traders out there will too. So we'll see what happens with that. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.